Claude Monet said, "I would like to paint the way a bird sings." And that quote really, really resonates with me because I'm a photographer. I want to photograph the way a bird sings because it's so sharp, it's so natural, it's so memorable. And when I'm out taking photo, that's my goal. I want to spark an emotion for the viewers. I want to bring them outdoors with me. Bonjour, I'm Emilie Talpin. I'm an OM System ambassador and I'm also the president of the Seacoast Camera Club in Portsmouth, New Hampshire. And I am super excited because I am with you today and also with my friends from B&H on this beautiful fall day in the seacoast of New England. And I'm welcoming you in my backyard for the B&H bird photography series. So let's get started. They're just so cute. I mean, aren't they cute? Very cute. And it's gorgeous. Look at its coat, you know, so pretty. For any type of photography, it's having fun. It's not, I need to get that shot. No, it's having fun, and if you get the shot, then it's double the fun. Capturing that emotion, it's not easy, and bird photography is definitely not easy. You're gonna spend many hours outside waiting for the birds to land, waiting for the birds to come in. And sometimes you only get one shot. Sometimes you're gonna get nothing. But you know, that's okay, because remember what Ansel Adams said. If he had 12 photos over a year, he would be very happy. That would be a good crop for him. And so that's what I want you to take away. It's okay not to get the shot every time you go out, but you need to go out. You need to be one with nature, be outdoor, enjoying the moment, and that's when you'll be able to create and make your shots. When I'm out in the field, I feel like I'm like John Audubon. Every time I encounter a bird, it's a new opportunity for me to record a new behavior, to understand their habitat, and that's what bird photography is all about, just having fun and discovering on your own and at your own pace. For this series, I'm going to take you on a journey to find birds along the coast of New England. I'm gonna give you some tips. We'll go through how to find birds. We'll talk about the importance of practicing before going out, and also something that's very, very important to me, we'll talk about bird ethics, how to be a good bird photographer. And afterwards, I will show you what type of gear I use to be an efficient bird photographer. And afterward, I'll give you a couple of tips about composition, what I'm looking for when I'm photographing, and I will pick my 4 favorite photos, and I will show you what tools I used when I process my images. So I have a lot of things to share with you, and I cannot wait for you to join me on this journey on the coast of New England looking for birds. And I will see you hopefully next week. Bye!